Echo India Golf Tango Charlie, backtrack runway 27. Echo India Golf Tango Charlie, rolling runway 27, heading south. Top on, okay. All right. Just about. What?
US 81018 excellent count. No big. Advise that initial contact. You have listened to information. Bravo. Here is the
that turn going.
This information. Bravo.
Stops up.
Reported at 1200. Approach type ILS. Landing runway 28 left. Takeoff runway 28 left. Transition level 060.
Navan radio, Echo India Tango, Golf Tango Charlie now switching to Dublin 118.5.
Right, Chancy, Golf Charlie, Charlie Fox in India's established finals, 29, 4 mile finals, for runway 29.
Right, please to the left.
Golf Tango Charlie, that will be okay with Weston, so report when you wish to switch to Weston.
Thanks for that. We'll switch to Weston shortly. Golf Tango Charlie.
Echo Golf Tango Charlie confirming QNH is 1019er.
1019er for Golf Tango Charlie. Weston Tower, good morning. It's Echo India Golf Tango Charlie.
Tango Charlie, standby. Echo India 2805, clear touch and go right circuit.
Go right circuit, Echo India.
Echo India Golf Tango Charlie, sir.
Golf Tango Charlie just to be in the Summerhill Mass now, inbound.
Roger, you're in to land, is it?
Bay Farm, yeah, full stop.
Roger, continue to Kilcock and then north of the minute, 1,500 feet. Overhead, join left downwind 25, QNH 1019er, report Kilcock.
Kilcock then north of Minute for overhead 1500, Golf Tango Charlie. We'll report overhead. And Western Tower Golf Tango Charlie just in the overhead now 1500.
Tango Charlie, roger, report downwind.
We'll report downwind just to check it's right downwind for 25, yeah?
Oh, we put you on the left, sir, and military active, so remain clear.
Super, on the left, we'll report left downwind, Golf Tango Charlie.
India all the way.
Bravo on final.
Echo India all the way.
India all the way.
So it's left, yeah?
Bravo 2705, clear touch and go right circuit.
Clear touch and go right circuit, Echo Delta Bravo.
I see him coming in there, look. Yeah.
Echo India uniform, downwind runway 25, touch and go. Echo India uniform, roger, you're shortly number 1.
There'll be another fella coming.
Number 1 and have eyes on the landing clock, thank you. Tango Charlie, you'll be number 2 in traffic, the number 1 is on the right downwind, so keep your eyes out.
That's copied, yeah, we're just joining a left downwind now for 25, Golf Tango Charlie. And Golf Tango Charlie turning left base 25.
Roger, you visited the traffic on the right base?
Negative, we're looking out.
Okay, by the looks of things, he'll be turning inside of you, so he is number 1, okay?
That's copied, he's number 1, Golf Tango Charlie.
And he's on a touch and go, so you're okay.
That's copied, Golf Tango Charlie. You see him? No, but he's...
Uniform turning final 254, touch and go.
Turning finals.
Green uniform,
look at him there, yeah.
07, clear touch and go, right circuit.
Oh, there he is, yeah.
Touch and go, right circuit, Golf in uniform.
And Golf Tango Charlie, visual with the landing traffic.
Tango Charlie, roger.
And Echo India Golf Tango Charlie turning finals now 25, number 2.
Tango Charlie, continue.
continue, Golf Tango Charlie.
Well, you alright?
Yeah, hopefully.
You love going in here. You must love paying 20 quid.
I don't give a fuck.
Most of looks good anyway, so we'll see what the story is for Waterford.
Yeah, I'm with Carlow, Echo Whiskey Charlie, request taxi.
Standby. Echo Tango Charlie 280 at 6, clear to land 25.
Clear to land 25, Golf Tango Charlie.
Echo Whiskey Charlie, there's traffic coming around the side, behind taxi Alpha holding point Echo.
Taxi Alpha holding point Echo, traffic inside Echo Whiskey Charlie. Echo India, Delta Bravo, right downwind runway 25 for touch and go.
Delta Bravo, you are number 1.
Number 1, report final, Echo Delta Bravo.
Watch my sore back now. Ah, greaser. We'll be going right up here. Pump off the flap. Keep her lit. Moving.
Towers, that's traffic clear now, Echo Whiskey Charlie.
Whiskey Charlie, roger, taxi Alpha holding point Echo.
Taxi Alpha holding point Echo, Echo Whiskey Charlie.
Echo Tango Charlie, vacate next right and you can park West Apron.
Next right and West Apron, Golf Tango Charlie.
Hello again, Echo India, Echo Mike Uniform.
Echo India, Echo Mike Uniform.
Echo India, Echo Mike Uniform overhead, the clock stem mass 1500 feet, request rejoining information please.
Mike Uniform, continue to Kilcock, from there, north of Minute, 1,500 feet, overhead, join left down with 25, 1019, report Kilcock.
Kilcock, then north of Minute, 1,500 feet, overhead, left down, wind 251019, air, we'll report at Kilcock, Echo India, Echo Mike Uniform.
Golf November Zulu, ready for departure.